पैराग्राफ की स्पीड 120 की होगी। इसके अलावा ये पैराग्राफ आपको 80 और 100 की स्पीड में मिल जाएगा। पैराग्राफ की फाइल और दूसरे स्पीड के लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद हैं। गेट रेडी फॉर योर डिक्टेशन। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। Even in more normal times, the state of education in this country has left a lot to be desired, full stop. But now, with COVID-19 decimating schedules and routines, the education sector in Pakistan is finding it even more difficult to cope, full stop. Of course, we are not alone. According to a UNESCO count, over 1.5 billion children the world over have been affected due to school closures caused by the pandemic, full stop. Thus, the challenge before the education authorities in Pakistan is considerable, full stop. Where the higher education sector is concerned, the response to the crisis has been mixed, full stop. Some of the more proactive universities have been holding online classes, while many large public sector tertiary institutions are still scratching their heads, trying to figure out how to proceed, full stop. The HSC has issued some SOPs for universities to follow, but genuine questions about internet access and quality connectivity for students in far-flung areas arise, full stop. The situation with the primary and secondary sector is not much different, full stop. While many elite private schools are holding classes through apps, most schools have simply given their students an extended break, full stop. Here too, there are issues of access, as many lower income children do not have smartphones, tablets and high-speed internet connections that online education tools require, full stop, para. Considering the strong element of the unknown, provincial education authorities need to plan ahead for the future now, full stop. For example, both Sindh and Punjab plan to reopen schools in June, full stop, para. But the deadline should not be considered final as the coronavirus situation remains extremely fluid, full stop. If the closures are extended, the authorities need to figure out how to continue the learning process with maximum children having access, full stop. The launch of an educational TV channel by the state is one response. The days ahead will reveal the impact this has had on learning, full stop. But beyond the immediate future, those in charge of education policy making in Pakistan should use this break to analyze the poor teaching and learning outcomes in the country, especially in the public sector and specifically in primary schooling, full stop. The sad fact is that around 22 million children are not in school in this country. An equal sobering reality is that those in school, particularly government institutions, are not learning much, full stop, para. Experts and stakeholders should use this time to devise ways to reboot Pakistan's education system, and perhaps adopt new methods and technologies, distance learning, studying at home, etc. to bring quality education to every child in this country, full stop, the end.